It all comes down to how you market and promote your digital products. That's the difference between making consistent sales and growing your income and a product that just flops and makes you feel like you wasted your time. No matter how many hours and how good your digital product is, no one's gonna buy if they don't know about it. So that's why building your traffic and building visibility is the most important thing that you need to focus right now. Hi friends, I'm Leticia and I am a former healthcare worker that turned a Etsy shop selling Notion templates into a fully fledged online business that helped me grow my savings, to travel the world, and grow my investments. Most importantly, it gave me more freedom and the power of choice. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I've been where you are. I've created something that I knew it could help someone, but I just had no idea how could I get more eyes on it? How could I market that? And that was really scary for me. Marketing was a monster for me, but after trying so many things, testing things, doing for myself and for clients, I'm not scared anymore. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today, a sustainable system that you can run even if you are a solopreneur. You don't need to rely on Facebook advertising, spending lots of money on ads, or even spending all day on Instagram. If you see me looking down, it's because I actually have my iPad here. I have tons of notes on my Notion. Don't want to forget anything. So what we're going to talk about today is, first of all, my two-part organic system to promote digital products and exactly how I pick the content that I'm going to create and make it very specific for the person that I want to help. And lastly, how you can turn those views into a community that actually buys your stuff. Before we talk about how to actually market your digital product, you first need to make sure there is demand for this product that you are trying to sell, right? And my favorite way to do market research is by using Everbee, because that's how you can see what's actually selling. One of the easiest ways to determine if there's actually demand for what you are selling is by checking if there's people actually buying that product. You can see how many products people are selling, you can spot bestsellers, and you can spot products that are going viral, and you can also check the keywords that they are using in the product and that is helping them get found. So you can use that keyword in your digital content, you can use that in your product, and that gives you so many insights to make the best decision, to make sure you don't waste any time with products that people don't want to buy. And I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to Everbee for sponsoring this video. And now let's go back to the content. All right, let's talk about what are the two main roads that people usually take when they want to market their products. The first one is Instagram. That's where people publish daily stories, publish like 2 to 3 reels a day, and you just enter that hamster wheel. Problem with Instagram is that you are not building assets, you are just building content that you will get lost. For example, when you publish a reel, a week from now, no one's gonna see that reel again. So if you take a break from Instagram, if you stop posting for some reason, you always feel that pressure that you are losing sales, that you are not, like you are losing something. You always feel that pressure because the content that you published before is not really reaching people anymore. Or you might feel guilty when you don't publish stories every day, or you struggle with the comparison. That might not be the right platform for you. And don't get me wrong, because I love Instagram. I think it's very effective to sell things, especially on Instagram stories. I've made really successful launches just using Instagram stories. In my personal experience trying different platforms, Instagram was the slowest growth compared to all the other ones. And road number 2, which is the road that I am taking, that's what I like to call the trust funnel. And this system is actually the opposite. Instead of fighting the algorithm for views, you build a marketing asset that will compound. You build an email list that you control, and your sales become more consistent and predictable. Here's a quick overview of this marketing system. First, you have your traffic engine. That's YouTube long form and short form. And then you have email to nurture those subscribers, build the relationships, and convert into sales. YouTube brings new people in, build trust, and then take people to your email list. And your email list is where you're going to actually build those relationships that will eventually become sales when your customer is ready. And for me, that's the long-term game. I'm all about sustainability, having freedom, having systems, and YouTube gives me all of that because we are not just creating content, you are actually building assets, marketing assets that are going to work for you even years from now. If you've been considering taking YouTube seriously and you want to dive into shorts, you need to to get 100% clarity on who your target viewer is, who's the person they want to help, they want to serve, that it's going to benefit from what you create. And if you are ready to finally take YouTube Shorts seriously, you are going to love this challenge. This is a 30-day Shorts that sell challenge to help you build trust, share your story, and attract your dream community that are going to buy your digital products. This is day one. Every day you have a mission, you have a goal, and the first thing that you're going to do in this challenge is to get 100% clarity on who your target viewer is. And for that, I give you specific prompts and I show you exactly how to use them. So for example, you can see there are some things here that you have to fill in the brackets. You also get a Notion workbook so you can keep it all in one place, save all your ideas, generate ideas. I give you examples, some extra AI prompts, and I show you exactly how to use them. I'll make sure I'll leave the link in the description and you can check it out whenever you're ready. Your goal on YouTube is not views, it's the right viewer. It's someone who already wants the outcome that your product gives. On YouTube, we have two main formats that you can create content. The first one is long form, which is the video that you are watching right now. The second one is shorts, and it's where I believe that's the biggest opportunity that we are having this year, is to invest in this format of content, because it's not only optimized for search, but it also will drive people to watch your long form video. It will help them get into your email list, and it will help you market your digital product. You can think about shorts as your front door. That's how you get discovered. That's how people find out about you for the first time. And you can think about the long form as your living room. Is someone here, like you are here with me in my office, having a chat in a more intimate conversation. And when people want to take the next step, they will download your freebie, they will get into your email list and start getting that relationship with you. Shorts are not here to close the sale. They are here to move people deeper to the next step, to your freebie, to your long form video, and to your email list. YouTube subscribers is great, but you don't actually own this audience. And that's when your email list becomes your powerhouse. This is that grounding audience that you own it, that you can move platforms, that you can take it with you, that you can reach it, and it's on your control. All you can do to improve it is just focus on improving your subject line so your emails actually get open, so you don't have to rely in an algorithm like all the other platforms. But how do you turn a viewer into an email subscriber? The answer is having an amazing lead magnet, aka a freebie, that you can give to your viewers that is specific to solve a small problem that your ideal viewer has. So you already know what they're struggling with, you already have your product. The easiest way to do is just grab what's the very first step of your paid product, and you can turn that into an amazing freebie. And that's how you can bring them to your email list, by giving them an incentive. Okay, so you just need to make sure that your lead magnet does these three things. First, it solves one small urgent problem, it relates to your paid product, and it's easy to consume fast. This is an example of a lead magnet that I created for the Passive Income Academy, and that brought me over 2,000 subscribers to my email list. Now that they are on your list, you want to build a relationship with them. You don't want to just leave them there hanging on your email list without getting anything. This is a sequence of 5 emails, very simple. The first email, you can just deliver the freebie and show them how to use it. Number 2, you can just share a quick tip. Number 3, you can just share a common mistake to avoid. Number 4, you can share any social proof that you have, any comments that you had about your product, any testimonials. Your last email, you want to kindly invite them to your paid offer. You can give them an incentive. If they want to dive deeper with you, they can get maybe a discount code, or they can get a limited time bonus. You can find ways to incentivize them to take the next step. Once you have this system set up and everything built up, you have kind of a marketing loop always happening in the background and building up as you post. So that's how your journey is gonna look like. First, you're gonna publish your short. So someone will find you on that YouTube short. They might go and watch your long form video, and they might might download your lead magnet. So they will download it, they will receive the email, and they will start receiving that email nurture sequence that you've built. And that's going to build more trust, that will build desire for your product. And on the last email, you're going to make an offer and offer an incentive for them to purchase your digital product and take the next step with you. And that's how you're going to start making sales on autopilot, even when you take a break, when you are traveling. And that's 100% possible, but only if you do the work. If you are willing to really step up and stop hiding and do the work that it takes, because this is actually what differentiates someone that is making consistent sales and having freedom traveling and have location freedom and time freedom and making consistent sales and all the things, from someone that is frustrated because they are not getting the sales that they want, and they just feel that they wasted their time. Because marketing is the work. Like when you are selling digital products, the biggest thing that you need to focus on is the marketing. And I don't see people talking about that enough. So we have a lot of people that just have digital products. It's easy to create. You just find PLR products, MRR products. But if you don't market, it's never going to sell it. If you are committed to changing that and growing your income selling your digital products, I created a simple checklist for you. So the first thing that you're going to do is to pick one product to focus on and market. Then you are going to publish 10 YouTube shorts that teaches the outcome of your product. Number 3, you are going to create a lead magnet that solves that first step. And number 4, you are going to set up your 3 to 5 nurture sequence. So when people download your freebie, you can start building that relationship with them. If you are ready to take YouTube Shorts seriously, I have created a 30-day Shorts challenge to help you get started, to identify who your ideal viewer is, to find the keywords that your ideal audience is searching for, and all of that with the help of AI. I give you all the hooks and the prompts that you need to publish these 30 shorts and start building authority and trust and building those marketing assets that are going to promote and market your digital products on autopilot. Don't forget to subscribe, because on my next video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to identify your ideal viewer and generate amazing short ideas so you can market your digital product. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.